Key points in planting strawberries. Parts of the strawberry plant include the crown, roots, leaves, runners, daughter plants, blossoms, and fruit. Strawberry plants reproduce via runners. Pollinators are critically important for strawberry production. Strawberry plants are unique from many other fruit crops because of how they grow and reproduce. Understanding their anatomy will help you learn to manage them. Parts of a strawberry plant. One part is the crown. The strawberry plant grows from a dense crown at the base of the soil. The leaves, fruit, runners, and roots all grow from the crown. Another part are runners and daughter plants. Strawberry plants reproduce through stolons or runners. Runners extend out several inches from the crown, take root in the soil, and produce new plants called daughter plants. Another part are the leaves. Strawberry leaves have 3 blades per leaf, on long stems. Another part is the roots. Strawberry roots are generally shallow. Most roots occupy the top 6 inches of soil except in very sandy soils, where they can reach down to 12 inches. The last parts of the strawberry plants are flowers and fruit. June-bearing strawberries start blooming in late May and fruit heavily from mid-June to mid-July in Minnesota depending on cultivar. The buds are formed the year before. Day-neutral strawberries flower from June until the first heavy frost in the fall. The first flower to bloom within each cluster produces fruit first and is usually the largest. Pollination and bearing fruit. Most strawberry varieties are self-fruitful, meaning they do not require cross-pollination from a second variety. There are hundreds of stigmas on each flower. Each stigma must receive pollen in order to develop a large, well-formed berry. Wind helps to move some pollen from the anthers to the stigmas, but insects are the primary pollinators of strawberries. Thank you for watching and hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe.